my name is Xander Sherman. I will be cooking an egg today. The first step to cooking an egg is to wash your hands. I have already done this because I have tried many a time to record this. Anyway, the second step is to gather your materials. I have great gathering skills, so I have collected all of these. Wow. Aren't you impressed, Mr. Jackson? Wow. The next thing you want to do once you have your supplies is you're going to want to take this egg. You can hear it shake. And you're going to do...
Wait.
Done!
Okay. Cut! Wait.
Then, we crack the egg. I already did it by accident, but here's how you do it. Alright. Next, you open the egg by squeezing both sides. I didn't do it, but that's how you should be doing it. Don't do as I say, not as I do. Then you throw the egg away, and you're supposed to wash your hands, which I will do. Very crucial part of making a sandwich. Egg. Thank you. Alright, next, we will be...
Showing off the man bun.
Whisk. Or add cream. I add cream. Wait, cream. Add cream. Yes. Cream.
What else can you use if you don't have cream?
Milk. But we don't have milk. We have cream. How much cream?
Need some milk. Just dump a bit in there. That's
Okay.
good. Yep.
I added the cream. See the cream? I stuck my finger in the cream.
Now what do you
Now
do?
it's on my finger.
What do you do next?
Gimme. The next thing we do is whisk. So we're going to take the spatula. So we're going to take the whiskey and we're going to spin it. Like a... So. Am I doing this right? Until it's done a fine paste of messed uppiness. What I call it. No butter for you. Do we take like the clear bit out or?
I usually try to make it mostly one color. That's alright. Okay, now what?
Now you greatly like cheese. Now you take out the thingy. You spin it, you spin it, you spin it, you spin it, you spin it.
What do you do next?
Then you put this back. Don't put the camera on me. Then you turn on stove to medium. Is this where? A little below medium, actually. Then the next thing you do is you wait.
What do you wait for?
You trying to get me to flex on our stuff?
No, show me.
Look at this fine frying pan. See that middle bit? When it gets hot enough, it'll be molten red. Now we wait. Don't. Just sit here. Make it really awkward.
Okay.
And while we're waiting, Jenna can show off some of her dance moves. Jenna! When the pan is hot enough, add your B, as in butter. Sky does butter. It's still not hot enough, so
No, it's ready.
it is.
Yeah.
Oh, that's some good stuff. All right. Then you take this, and going entirely off Mom's example, back. You take the butter about this big, and then you do the thing. Get off! Can I get another spatula?
No, just wipe it on there. There you go. Wipe it all around.
Wiping it.
And see how it's sizzling like that? It's probably a little too hot, I would say. Just a little.
Turn it
Yeah.
lower.
Because you don't want to burn your butter, then you're going to have a bad time.
Gonna have a bad time burning. God, Mom.
So, okay, hurry up. What's your next step?
My next step is what is? What is next step for 200? Oh, you pour the butter in? Add egg. See, what you do is you take this egg.
No,
and
no,
you put
no.
it.
No.
See, what you do is you take this mush of eggnog and you pour it in. And it should create some sort of amalgamation of death. Demonetized. As you can see by our fine representation, I should be doing something. What is that, Mom?
You tell me. You're making the eggs.
Okay, you make sure you don't stick to a pan by move it. Move it real good. Move it so good that the Artheans feel jealous. It's turning into like a pancake. Am I making an omelet?
No.
Can I make an omelet? Then do sunny side up next?
You would
So-
have to have done it a little differently, but
No, we
when
can
I'm
just make
doing
it like
scrambled
this.
eggs, I smush that all up. Just like smush it all up with your spatula.
Alright. Yeah, yeah.
Toss it around. And
I
smush
can't
it
toss it
up.
around. There. Nailed it. How do I do? Do?
Cut
No.
it up
No.
into chunks.
Chunks. God, this is burning. So good.
Cut up that big chunk.
Big chunk.
All right. Does it look runny still?
Yes. That's it. There we go.
I don't know. Looks pretty solid to me.
Yes.
Okay. Now what do you do?
You turn off the thingy.
Other way. There you go.
Man bun. Oh. Alright, next. They can't stare at it for too long. Add seasoning.
What kind of seasoning do you like on your eggs?
Salt.
Okay. That's enough salt.
That concludes this presentation on egg. But first, we need to do other things. So pause the video and then we can add them in later. Yes. Alright, let's continue with our eating montage. Jenna said she would make stupid faces. Is it good? It worked. She'll be out of my life forever. Stop gurgling your tea.
I'm going bye-bye.
Can you pause it? I want some water. I want what she's having.
Hi.
That good? Oh! Cut. Don't record me.
Oh, I can't drink. Shameless self-promo.
Puberty got the best of me. Thank you for watching my video. Please give me a good grade, Mr. J. I made eggs for this. My first time, and they taste delicious. Like, really good. I had to add more salt, but they taste better. Better, not bitter. They taste better. Bye.